In today's video, I give you the horsefly jig 4 ways. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to SDG. I recently got a request in the comments section to see what I would do with a horsefly jig. Hoss as in H-O-S-S. So for those that aren't familiar with a horsefly, flat-sided jig head, and then just something simple like bucktail or craft fur or Arctic fox attached to the shank. Pretty simple, but man, I hear it's a smallmouth killer. So when I got to thinking about it, I couldn't help myself. One wasn't enough. That's right. We are doing 4 today, and I got my own little twist on it, my own little sparkle, as it were. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get the tunes started and make our way to the vise.
No more pretending or make believe. Just for novelty, tell it like it is. What you're defending, I'll never know. Still the fool that I am, baby, wonder so. Was it all smoke and mirrors? Was any of it real? Not all is gold that glitters, no matter how hard you want it to be. The veil's been lifted from my foolish eyes, the curtains drawn aside. Smoke and mirror, girl, I'm done with your lies. I'm done with your lies. I've got your poison running through my veins. Since I was bitten, nothing ever looks the same. It makes me burn, it makes me cold. With your kisses, this fool's been bought and sold. Was it all smoke and mirrors? Was any of it real? Not all is gold that glitters, no matter how hard you want it to be. The veil
go. You guys tell me, did I do the horsefly jig justice? Will these catch any number of predatory fish, especially smallmouth? I think maybe they will. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, and you'd like to see more lure building just like it, then click right here. If you're curious about the name SDG, then click right here. Otherwise, until the next time, I'll see you guys at the vise.